But the gopis are just, they're not changing their look. They're just looking full of eagerness and full of surprise and astonishment, just full of love. Because this is the depth, and when their love is so deep by the gopis, nothing can change it. And this is the definition of prema we were hearing yesterday. No matter what Krishna does, whether he leaves them, or embraces them, or tramples them, or is indifferent to them, or goes with some other Sakhi, or comes late, or has obvious signs of enjoying another and comes right in front of Radharani without any shame, shamelessly, this bold one, their love never diminishes. But we see, if there's some question about our security, about our safety, then how is our bhakti, how is it diminished? It may diminish somewhat. So this is one we can see, we can learn something from this, to take into our own lives. How that if Krishna is before us, if we really feel the presence of Krishna before us, then we should never be concerned or worried about personal security, home, hearth or home, or have any fear of anything. This is the sign of true bhakti. If bhakti is there, there's no fear, because one is always in the presence of the beloved, surrounded by Krishna everywhere, and they don't move. You look this way, that way, but Krishna is always in front of you.